Kaibigan, maraming nagtatanong kung ano yung pwede ko ibigay na business tip or practical tips sa mga gustong magsimulang magnegosyo. But before I answer that, I'm Orly Ballesteros. I've been an entrepreneur for almost uh, 2 decades plus na. I have a company, three. Yung una is an events company that's already on its 24th year this year. And another is a review center that's already on its 6th year. And another, a training company also na may partners ako na grupo. So ngayon, magbibigay ako ng practical tip. Ang practical tip na may papayo ko is this. If you're starting a business, before you offer a product, humanap ka muna ng problema. Discover a problem dun sa na nararanasan ng target market na gusto mong paglingkuran. And then, pag nalaman mo yung problema nila, create a product that will solve that problem. For example, sa Airbnb, maraming mga turista ang gusto lang naman mag-travel pero naghanap sila ng affordable lodging. At the same time, maraming mga bahay na hindi nagagamit na pwedeng i-offer dito sa mga turista na ito para yun yung maging lodging nila. So doon nabuo yung Airbnb, no? Affordable lodging. Next, maraming tao nangangarap magkaroon ng kotse at chauffeur, no? Sariling driver. But that will not be possible for most of the people. Yun yung nakitang problema ni Uber. Kaya naman, sa kanyang app, meron ka ng sariling kotse na hindi mo mapag-aari pero magagamit mo at meron kang sariling driver. No? And last but not the least, noong unang panahon, mahirap yung mga video conferencing, hindi maganda yung quality. Kaya naman si Zoom nakita ito, kaya naman nagbigay siya ng affordable video conferencing or teleconferencing na talaga namang effective, lalong-lalo na nung pandemic ay maraming tao nakita na ang problema nila sa communication, sa pagpapatuloy ng negosyo nila ay kayang solusyonan ni Zoom. Kaya naman si Zoom ay talaga namang dumami yung kanyang mga subscriber. So again, the lesson is find a problem, offer a solution, or sell that solution to your target customer. And you can never go wrong because most of the businesses that are successful today continuously find problems na nararanasan ng kanilang customer or target market, and they continuously provide solution to this problem. Therefore, they are a profitable and growing business.